Hello, and welcome to the Computer Systems Architecture unit from Semester Learning and Development. If you're studying towards a Level 3 BTEC National in IT, this is Unit 19. If you're studying towards an HNC or HND in Computing and Systems Development, this is Unit 51. After this short introductory video, you should understand how the unit is going to be assessed. We'll look at the frequency and format for those assessments. We'll also look at the different learning resources that are available to you, how the unit is graded, and how many credits this unit has. Assessment will be done via set assignments. There will be 3 in total for this unit. Once you've completed the necessary prerequisite learning at your own pace on our learning management system, you will then request your assignment. Once your assignment has been set, you'll need to carry out research and produce the necessary evidence within the set time frame for that assignment. The assignment will list which criteria are being assessed and give you details of a number of tasks that you need to perform in order to produce your evidence. All your work will then be submitted on our e-portfolio system. This is where it will be assessed and you'll be provided with feedback. Each unit contains a suite of e-learning materials that need to be completed prior to each assignment, and these materials can be found on our learning management system. So what are the learning resources? Throughout the unit there are a variety of different online resources made available to you. This may include the following. Videos. A carefully curated variety of videos are normally included in each unit. These may come from various sources and are selected to provide the necessary learning required to complete the unit. Reading. Each unit will also often include some reading content such as PDF documents, explanatory text or useful diagrams. Online articles and resources. Most units also include a selection of online resources for you to utilize as a part of the learning. This might be simply reading an online article or wiki, or something more interactive in nature. Tutorials. Your unit might include a tutorial. This might be a video from your tutor, it could be an activity you need to perform, it might be an online session. Books. Most units include a recommended reading list. These books will not be essential, but you may wish to understand this topic in more detail. If so, then one of these recommended books could be a worthwhile investment. Quizzes. These will normally be placed at the end of key topics and they're designed to help illustrate the main learning points. If you find you're unable to answer a question or if you get a question wrong, you should revisit the learning content you've just studied in order to find the answers. Independent study and research. Of course, you can also find additional information yourself through online or printed resources. Some units also include suggested online resources if you wish to know more about a subject. It is also expected that in addition to the learning resources provided, you will need to perform some research yourself when you are completing your assignments. All of this content is provided through one easy-to-use interface with the various resources presented to you in a logical order to help build up your understanding. Having mentioned books, if you wish to understand computer systems architecture in more detail, the following books are recommended for this unit. If you're interested in understanding more about how processors actually complete tasks, then Professional Assembly Language Programming may be a good book for you. If you wish to know more about computer systems architecture in general and how machines are designed, then this may be a book for you. And if you want to understand more about the logic of how computers process and how they perform calculations, then Boolean Algebra is a great book to start with. A useful online resource is freecomputerbooks.com. If you access freecomputerbooks.com using this link, it'll take you directly to a number of books that relate to computer systems architecture. These are all available online. So what grades are possible for this unit? We'll look at the assessment criteria shortly. However, you'll find in your assignments a selection of pass, merit and distinction criteria. All learners must complete all tasks that are required to achieve the pass criteria in order to pass the unit. The merit and distinction criteria are there for those who wish to pursue a higher grade. Sometimes these will be separate or indeed extra tasks, sometimes they'll be an extension to a past task, and on occasions they're integrated into the past task themselves but require certain content to be included in your answers. In order to achieve a merit, you must successfully demonstrate suitable evidence against all of the merit assessment criteria. In this unit, they'll be spread across multiple assignments and must be complete in all assignments of the unit. In order to achieve a distinction, you must successfully demonstrate suitable evidence against all of the distinction and all of the merit criteria. Your overall unit grade will be confirmed after you have completed all of the assignments in that unit. Each unit has a series of learning outcomes. These are essentially the core topics within the unit. Often there is one assignment per learning outcome, although this can vary slightly from unit to unit. Each learning outcome in turn has a number of assessment criteria. They will all contain pass criteria. However, the merit and distinction criteria may not be present in every assignment, but will be covered across the unit as a whole. Now let's look at the assessment criteria of this unit. The first assignment will cover pass criteria 1 to 4 and also includes the first of the merit criteria. In the left-hand column, you'll see the details of the 4 pass criteria. All learners must demonstrate these. In the center column, you'll notice M1, the first of the merit criteria. The second assignment covers pass criteria 5 and 6 and includes merit criteria 2 and the first of the distinction criteria. Again, all learners must pass the pass criteria, but the merit and distinction are optional for those who wish to pursue a higher rating. The third learning outcome and third assignment cover pass criteria 7 to 9, along with merit criteria 3 and the second of the distinction criteria. As mentioned before, if you wish to achieve a distinction, you will have to complete all of the merit and the distinction tasks in addition to the pass tasks. So what is the unit credit? This is a 10 credit unit. These credits can count towards your overall qualification, or indeed the unit can be studied individually. There is an expectation of approximately 60 guided learning hours, and there are 3 assignments. So if you complete this unit in 1 month, that would be approximately 15 hours per week and 1 assignment every 8 or 9 days. In this short introductory video, we've looked at how the unit is going to be assessed, what learning resources are available, how the unit is graded, and how many credits this unit carries. When you're ready, you should now progress through the learning for this unit until you reach an assignment marker in the learning management system. At that point, you should request your first assignment. Good luck, and don't forget to contact your tutor if you need any assistance.